Cristiano Ronaldo is a professional player from Portugal, widely considered to be one of the greatest players of all time. Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985, on the island of Madeira in Portugal. He grew up in a working class family, and his father worked as a kitman for a local football team. Ronaldo started playing football at a young age and was quickly recognized for his talent. He joined the youth academy of the local team, Andorinha, and later moved to Nacional and Sporting Lisbon. In 2003, Ronaldo signed with the Manchester United, one of the top footballer clubs in the world. He quickly became a star player, helping the team win numerous titles, including 3 Premier League titles, one FA Cup, one UEFA Champions League title. In 2009, Ronaldo transferred to Real Madrid for a world record fee of 94 million euros. He played for Real Madrid for 9 seasons, winning numerous titles, including 4 UEFA Champions Leagues and 2 Liga titles. In 2018, he transferred to Juventus, where he currently plays. Ronaldo has also had a successful international career, representing Portugal in numerous tournaments, including European Championship and World Cup. He helped Portugal win the European Championship in 2016. Ronaldo's net worth, according to Forbes, is estimated to be around $500 million, making him one of the wealthiest athletes in the world. He earns a significant amount of money from his football career, endorsement, and business ventures. He has endorsement deals with companies like Nike, Herbalife, and Clear Shampoo. In addition, he has his own line of clothing, fragrance, and hotels.
In addition to his football career, Ronaldo is also known for his philanthropic work. He has donated millions of dollars to various charities, including the Make-A-Wish Foundation, UNICEF, and Save the Children. In 2015, he launched the County Route 7 Foundation, which aims to help children in need around the world. The foundation has supported numerous causes, including childhood cancer research, disaster relief, and education. Ronaldo is also known for his impressive athletic achievements. He has won numerous awards and accolades throughout his career, including 5 Ballon d'Or awards, which are given to the best player in the world. He has also scored over 700 goals in his career, making him one of the all-time leading goal scorers in football history. Off the pitch, Ronaldo is known for his fashion sense and his social media presence. He has over 300 million followers on Instagram, making him one of the most followed people on the platform. He often posts photos of his family, his travels, and his various business ventures. In conclusion, Cristiano Ronaldo is a football legend who has achieved incredible success on and off the pitch. His net worth is estimated to be around $500 million, and he is known for his philanthropic work, his impressive athletic achievements, and his social media presence. Regenerate response.
Doing crazy